Welcome to the best picks. The best pumpkin carving kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to elevate their Halloween spirit and create truly spectacular jack-o'-lanterns this season, offering a significant upgrade from basic kitchen knives and ensuring a safer, more precise, and ultimately more enjoyable carving experience for adults who want to bring their artistic visions to life with ease and impressive detail. Number 5. NESSTU 31 PCS Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit. Get ready for Halloween with this all-in-one kit. It includes everything you need: professional carving tools, fun stencils, and a convenient storage bag. Unleash your creativity with 15 different stencils. They come in easy, medium, and advanced levels, perfect for beginners and pros alike to create amazing designs. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They won't rust or pit, ensuring a smooth carving experience every time. The ergonomic handles are designed for comfort and a secure grip. This makes carving easier and more enjoyable, even for extended periods. Everything fits neatly into the included nylon storage bag. It's perfect for taking on the go or storing away until next year. This multipurpose kit makes an ideal Halloween gift. It's durable enough for years of carving pumpkins, watermelons, and more. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive set of tools and stencils for all skill levels. If you are looking for a complete package with plenty of design options to get started, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of stencils that are easy to use and peel off cleanly. The carving tools are sharp and durable, making it easy to create intricate designs. The kit comes with a sturdy storage case, which is great for keeping everything organized. Number 4. Professional Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit. Get ready for Halloween with our comprehensive pumpkin carving kit. It includes everything you need for both simple and complex designs, making pumpkin carving fun for everyone. This set features 10 professional carving tools with heavy-duty handles designed for a comfortable grip. They make carving intricate patterns a breeze, and a storage bag is included to keep everything organized. Unleash your creativity with 30 included stencils, ranging from easy to challenging designs. You'll find plenty of templates to create unique and spooky jack-o'-lanterns. Make your pumpkins glow with the included 5 colored candles. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a convenient and festive Halloween carving experience. Designed with safety and durability in mind, the tools have sturdy ABS handles with an anti-slip grip. Adult supervision is recommended for children under 12. Enjoy quality time creating spooky and funny jack-o'-lanterns with your loved ones. This professional kit is perfect for adults and kids to share the Halloween spirit. What we like? With a vast selection of stencils and included candles, this kit is perfect for creating a vibrant Halloween display. If you want to light up your pumpkins with colorful candles and have a wide variety of designs to choose from, consider this option. What people say. This kit is great for adults and comes with a variety of stencils. The tools are sturdy and make carving pumpkins easy and fun. Number 3. 35 PCS Pumpkin Carving Kit. Get ready for the ultimate carving experience with our comprehensive 35-piece kit. It includes everything you need to bring your pumpkin decorating dreams to life. Craft intricate designs with our 13 professional-grade stainless steel tools. Their ergonomic handles offer maximum comfort and control for detailed work, ensuring they last for years. Safer than kitchen knives, this kit is perfect for both adults and kids. With templates and a manual, even beginners can create expressive and lifelike pumpkin characters. Make this Halloween unforgettable with a fun activity for all ages. Unlock your creativity and carve the perfect jack-o'-lantern to share with family and friends. Give the gift of creativity this Halloween. It's ideal for creating pumpkin lanterns with your children, fostering parent-child interaction and creating wonderful memories. What we like? This kit provides a premium carving experience with high-quality tools and a user manual for beginners. If you prioritize durable, comfortable tools and want guidance to create expressive designs, this is the set for you. What people say. The kit includes a variety of stencils that are easy to use and provide great design options. The tools are sturdy and well-made, making carving precise and efficient. Comes with a safety handle on the carving tools, which is a nice touch for preventing slips. Number 2. Unilove Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit. Get ready for Halloween with the Unilove Pumpkin Carving Kit. This set includes everything you need for creative pumpkin designs. Crafted from high-quality, heavy-duty stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They offer precision for detailed sculpting and easy carving. Enjoy a comfortable and firm grip with the anti-slip silicone and wooden handles. They are designed for a secure and enjoyable carving experience. Everything is neatly organized in a durable leather bag. It's perfect for keeping your tools safe and easily accessible, whether at home or on the go. Carve intricate details like eyes, teeth, and noses to bring your pumpkins to life. These versatile tools are perfect for Halloween and beyond, even for carving other fruits and vegetables. Make this Halloween memorable by carving pumpkins with family and friends. Enjoy the creative process and the joy of making unique pumpkin lanterns together. What we like. Featuring high-quality stainless steel and comfortable handles, this kit is built for precision and ease of use. If you enjoy detailed carving and want tools that are also suitable for other fruits and vegetables, this versatile option is ideal. What people say. The kit includes a variety of stencils and tools for detailed carving. The tools are sturdy and comfortable to hold, making the carving process easier. The pumpkin carving kit is great for creating intricate designs. Number 1. HAUSHOF 24-piece Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit. Get ready for Halloween with this complete 24-piece carving kit. It includes everything you need, from scooping tools to fun stencils, allowing for endless design possibilities. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with comfortable, non-slip handles, these tools are durable and easy to use. They are designed to last for many Halloweens to come. Enjoy a worry-free carving experience. This kit is designed with safety in mind, featuring secure grips and rust-resistant blades that are safe for everyone to use. With 20 included stencils, you can create amazing 3D designs. Make your jack-o'-lanterns truly unique with detailed features that will impress everyone. This kit also includes a versatile camping lantern with multiple lighting modes. It's perfect for Halloween night, camping trips, or any nighttime adventure. Make this Halloween unforgettable with this fantastic carving kit. It's the ideal gift for family and friends to enjoy creating spooky masterpieces together. What we like. This kit stands out with its extensive stencils for 3D designs and a unique camping lantern. If you want to create truly impressive, lifelike pumpkins and appreciate an added bonus for outdoor adventures, this comprehensive set is a fantastic pick. What people say. This kit is great for adults and comes with a variety of tools. The stencils included are easy to use and add a nice touch to the pumpkins. The tools are sharp and make carving precise and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.